with the same variable, like same name. So
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
coming to tuple, so let's so remember this, tuple is unchangeable. So tuple is collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allow duplicate members. One thing you have to remember for tuple and list, everything is same, but tuple is unchangeable. What does it mean?
It's unchangeable.
Yeah, you cannot change, right? So you cannot change. Tuples are
Yeah.
unchanged, meaning that we cannot change, add or remove items after tuple has been created. Once the tuple has been created, you cannot change anything. Okay, so but in the list we can do. We saw one thing you have to remember, you don't need to know everything to learn for this, but what I my goal is to try to help you, so that you can, if you do some projects, if I do something with the tuple, even if I don't discuss what we have to do, go to Google and Google it and see, okay, this is what we are talking. So here, um, let's say I'm going to declare a variable. This is a tuple. If I print this one, how can we do this? Python 3 space all purpose dot py, all purpose dot. So apple, banana, cherry. Python 3 all purpose dot py. So apple, banana, cherry. So we accessed this one. So okay, if you want to get a length, what you have to do, add length function here, len. So then close the bracket. Okay, so what will be the length?
Sure.
When you count length, how will you count length of the where, length of the list, or length of the tuple, length of the anything? How do we count as a length?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
So
5.
that's for index.
Oh,
Oh, you start at 1.
Yes.
You
So
just count normally.
yeah, just whenever I ask what length or size, you count as like normally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only index index means 0. Okay, so negative index, you guys know, right? Negative index means from so I think you already know negative index means from
From the right to the left.
yeah, right to the left. Good. So length, or size means length which starts from 1. Okay, one thing, because if you learn Python, if you need more programming language, let me know. But the other thing is, once you learn one programming language, the other programming languages are not hard. Let's say if you so I'm teaching people right now other course like JavaScript and React. They are building some apps like games and stuff. So anyways, so you can access, so which is ordered, one thing is ordered and allow duplicate members, unchangeable. So okay, so in a list, you can add an element, right? If I
yeah.
So this is
Yeah.
what we did. Now what will happen, this tuple equal to um, this tuple equal to, you cannot, if you do this one, let's say, okay, so tuple items, and there can be many things, any data type. So it's not only 1 to 3. You can have like one, like numbers. You can have numbers data type. Tuples can be any data type. Okay, so tuple can be any data type. So and also you can add different data types. So you can add so um, okay, tuples means you can add, like I can also add like this, many data types, like a b c a b c and number. So okay, you can do many things, you can do with many time things. So I'm going to write something, you guys guess what does this function do. This type function, what does this do? Do you guys remember what does the type function do?
Oh, it's on like the tip of my tongue. Ah,
So,
I can't remember.
is it?
so you guys know, you got this. Type means type function. What does this do? Type. We used many types. What it tells what? There is an answer in the question.
Oh, does it tell that there's like multiple functions in the thing?
Nope. So type means there is an answer in the
Is it like
it,
string and
string.
that kind of stuff?
Yeah, string or integer or boolean or anything. It tells type of the variable.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it tells the type of the variable. So I'm not going to execute because so there is a homework. I'm going to give you homework means from the next class onwards what you have to do, whatever I study, I teach, you have to explain everything in the video and the record and submit it so that I will know what you have studied and how you are doing. Then if you need more help, then I will go ahead and help you guys. So okay, so let's finish first, come back to some of the things. So okay, so tuple means you already know what is tuple. So um, okay, tuples you cannot change an item, so means you cannot add or remove an items. Once you declare it's final. Once you declare it's final, which makes sense. You cannot remove items like before what we did. So now I'm going to do something, then you guys has to guess what we are going to do. So okay, so what is going to happen is when we declare anything with a list or something, you cannot change. So you cannot say this list equal to like this something. You cannot assign this one. This is not a valid thing, because in Python it can be valid. It will replace with the first value whatever. Sometimes you can also, people say like this, which means replace with one, but here you cannot do. Anyways, so what will be the output line number 22?
Could you restate that question?
So what will be the output from
Would it just print would it print T?
so this is the question.
Would it
What will
print everything but one?
nope.
Oh, wait, what?
So what will I get if I access 1?
Wait, it's starting at 1, right?
Because when you see
Is it
square brackets means index based. Square brackets always
Oh.
index based. What will I get if I
So,
access 1?
Is it 5?
5. Yes. Do you get it, Landon?
Yeah.
Because 1 is 0 based. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this example, what you will get, Landon? Now your turn. If I access 3.
You would get. Oh wait, you would get A,
So okay.
right?
In this
It'd
example,
be 9 because it starts at 0 and then just counts.
no, this example, this is
I think I
different.
got it. I think I got it.
This example, so our question is from 124 and then you're accessing 3. So what will be the output? Index 3. What is our index 3?
Is it true?
Nope.
So it would be 4?
No, it's like
So okay, let me explain it to you. Make sure this is very important topic in the program. That's what we are going to do. So okay, I'm going to explain it to you very clearly so that you don't forget. So
Yeah.
so don't worry. So programming we all will learn. So now I know what we have to do. We have to do every class. Before class we will have a homework to practice what we studied, so that you don't forget. So I'm going to explain very clearly. uh, okay, so come on, hopefully I will share the screen. Okay, so okay, can you see what I have written now here? Can you see this one? Hi, right? Can you
Yeah.
yeah, okay. So index based, this is a, so so just say I have a b c two false. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use some boxes like this: true, 46. So when I say length, length counts as 1 2 3 4 5, that's called length. But when you say index means, remember that index is always like a square brackets. Index is like always like a square brackets. So this is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, if I put 3, what is inside of the 3? We have
False.
false. Okay, if I put 4,
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
what is inside
Yeah.
of 4? True.
True. Yeah.
If I put 0, what will I get?
46.
46. Great, thanks.
Yeah, that makes sense. I see what I missed.
Oh, see, one thing I really appreciate you guys. If you don't understand, ask me, because my goal is not to teach like a school. My goal is to help you to learn, make sure that you're understanding, you're mastering basics. If you know basics, you can do many things. Okay,
Yeah.
so in this case, what will be our output?
It would be 40.
40. So now, so we have, so that's called introduction of a tuple. So now we are accessing, now you know how to access. Now now his turn. Mason,
Yeah.
what will be the output?
Would it be true?
Okay, so Landon, what do you think? Is it true? Is it true? Is he said right answer?
It doesn't start at 0, right?
From the left side, you know, from right.
From the left side, it starts at 0, but
Yes.
on the right, it starts at -1.
-1. So you go down like this: -1, -2. You move this side.
So it'd be true. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. You guys understand. So range of indexes. So when you specifying a range, the return value will be new tuple with a specified items. Okay, let's say, I think you already know, I'm going to add more values. Female. Okay, tuple can have duplicates values, right? Oh, come on. Okay, so now question again, one question here. What will be the output? So where it starts, we discussed this one yesterday. Same thing with a tuple. So if you don't know, I'm going to quickly explain, then we'll come back. So if you guys can guess, Mason, would you like to guess this one, from where it starts, where it ends?
Would it start at true?
2. Okay, that's, yeah, from 2, that's called
And
true.
then 40 and male, because it doesn't include the 5th one.
Who is happy today?
All of us.
Who is most happy? Now Vinny, let's check his answer. So okay, I'm going to comment this one, right? So 2, he said 2 3 4. What did you say your answer is? Can you read? Can you
true,
read?
40 and male.
Oh,
Yeah.
Now my friend, other friend from America. So, Landon, your turn.
Okay. Two, one, two, three. True, 40, male, female, female.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Because we don't include 8, right?
Yeah. So I can
Okay.
put the cursor. Can you see cursor here? One. You can say
Yeah.
when
Yeah.
to stop. I will go. You can tell me. Someone can count from like 2. You can count Mason. Then I will go here. So you can tell me Landon when to stop. Okay. You can count Mason. You can say 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh.
7,
Stop.
8.
Where
No,
here?
stop at 23. Yeah. The first 23.
So, okay. You want me to stop at the 8?
Right there, yeah.
What do you think, Mason? So he wants to stop at 23. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the male.
Oh, no. Yes,
Yeah.
male.
Okay, so
Oh.
we should not include the 8.
Yeah. Not
Oh,
include 8.
nice. So now these are the questions we have to. Okay, what does it mean? If I introduce 2, then colon, what will be the output? From where to where?
It would be from 40, male, female, and just like continue.
Oh, you saying from 40? So
Yeah.
make sure.
Wouldn't it start at 2
Yeah.
and then just include the rest?
Yes, it starts at the 2. Okay, 0,
Oh,
1,
yeah.
2. Okay, my
It
friend.
starts at true, yeah.
Yeah, true, and it ends the rest.
Yeah.
Ooh, hooky dokie. So now we saw the positive index, negative index. Now this negative indexes. If you want to start the search from the end of the tuple, okay. So the negative index starts from the -1, okay, excluded to index to. Okay, let's see how it's going to work. You guys can guess. There is no right or wrong answer. So because mostly practice is important, right? Mostly practice important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what will be the output?
I can't see your screen right now.
Oh really?
Would it be?
Yeah, I can't see your screen for some reason.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
I think Mason can, but I can't for some reason.
Oh, okay. I will stop the
Can you,
screen.
Mason, see a screen?
Now I'm going to share it again. Can you see now?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So okay, I'm going to give you some instructions here. You guys can guess what is going to be. Okay?
Okay.
Negative indexing. I'm giving instructions, then you guys can guess. Means starting from the end of the tuple.
I have a guess.
Okay, next, this example RETURN returns the items from index 4 included, to index -1 is excluded. Okay, remember that the last item has the index negative. So you guys guess the answer, and then you can tell me what is the answer. What is the answer? Okay.
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 Is the answer 23, 33, 44?
Okay, you can write it down, your answer. then you guys can write it down your answer. He will write it down the answer, then I will print the answer. We'll see what's going to be the answer. If you are ready, then let me know.
All right, I'm ready.
So we're writing it on paper?
Yeah, you guys can write it down on
Oh.
paper.
I'm gonna get some paper then.
Yeah.
Or should I just type it into my computer?
Yeah, you can type it. You can have anywhere else. So do you guys want me to remove some numbers so that it's not going to be lot? Do you want me to?
It's all good.
It's all good. Okay.
Oh, wait. Okay, yeah.
Okay, you have your answer. So everybody has to be honest, and there is no right or wrong answer. We are going.
Okay.
First, I'm going to tell you
I'll
one thing.
change my answer.
Okay, everybody has to stick with the answer. First of all, what you have to excluded here. Okay, index -1 is excluded. Remember that the last item has the index -1. It starts from the
Yeah.
-1. What? So for suppose, can someone can read negative side, like how it starts from? -1 is what? 99.
Not included.
Okay, no, yeah, in this answer is right. What is -1?
99, yeah.
Okay, -2, 88, -3, 77, -4, 66. So here we are not going to
Yeah.
include. Okay, did you get this answer? 88, 77, 66.
Yeah.
Landon?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show my screen. I'll prove it.
Oh, no.
What did I just do?
Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that if you guys get it, that's great. So what will happen if we have only one value? What will be the output? Just
And
negative.
it'll be
Nothing, right?
No, if you have two
It'll-
so no, you so don't
Oh,
ignore this one for
it'd be 99. It'd be 99.
99. What do you think, Mason?
yeah,
Yeah.
99.
Okay, so that's for now. For that, now you know accessing. Next, so there are things. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that you cannot change, add, or remove items once the tuple is created. But there are some things we can do. So once a tuple is created, you can never, like, you cannot change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable. So you can convert tuple into a list, change the list, and the convert list back into a tuple. Okay, now, so make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and do this example. Okay, let's say apple. Okay, now I'm doing this one. Okay, see, first of all, this is, I'm going to show you what is our so is this list or tuple?
List.
How does the tuple look like? So sorry, this is a tuple or list?
List.
Okay, so do you guys see the list? Okay, so one thing here, you have list always have a square brackets. List always have a square bracket. So okay, list always have a square brackets. Okay, so now what I am going to do, tuple has a normal regular brackets, but open closed parenthesis, but the list square brackets. That's the one thing you have to remember. See, what you are going to do is, okay, so I'm going to do here first print x. So if I print x, what will you get? I'm also adding here print of type of x. So what are you going to do here? So this is a tuple. You printing tuple, you can check what type of data it is. Then you are converting the x is now tuple, right? X is a tuple. You're converting x into list. Then you are storing it into y. Now you can add, because you cannot add any elements when into tuple, because tuples are unchangeable, means immutable. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're converting everything into list. So you stored into y. Now because y become, I'm going to print what is going to be y. Okay, then I will also print type of y. Okay, so y of 1 equal to kiwi, x is equal to tuple of y. Again you are converting this one into, so now I'm printing here y. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, first of all I'm going to comment this one because we are not going to use this one. So okay, so here apple, banana, cherry. So apple, banana, cherry is a what data type is, because type function we use it for to convert data. So what is that type function? Is a tuple. Okay, type is a what data type it is? This one, tuple. Did you guys see tuple? Okay, so you printed x means you got the values of apple, banana, cherry. Then you printed what data type it is, then it says tuple. Make sense?
Yeah.
Then what you did is you converted, you have to use a thing called list, and then you pass the same variable tuple variable x, then you storing into variable called y. Then what does it do? So if we go here, no, you converted this one into list. Did you see line number 135 has the list means always square brackets. Then you can see the type. I also printed type of y. So then again y of 1 equal to kiwi, because y becomes now list, I added one item in the kiwi. Okay, y of 1, actually 1 is banana, but you replaced, you changed, instead of 1 banana you put the kiwi. Now print of y is equal to apple, banana. So x is equal to tuple of y, print x. So you got the tuple. Now you convert it into tuple. So do you guys understand now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we are going to do the things for the tuple. So there is a one thing here, I'm going to comment this one. Okay, so there is one thing we have to, do you guys remember append method?
What method?
Append is a method, this is a built-in method, because
Oh yeah, because it comes with the system.
yeah, append means it will adds the item at the end. We used it yesterday, but because you cannot use append method into tuples. Why you cannot use append?
Because it's on a list, or
Because you cannot change anything, right? You cannot add or
Yeah.
remove for tuple is unchangeable, which means you cannot add, because
Yeah.
append function only adds. So that's what we are going to learn. We will deep dive into tuples and list later, but I am going to learn one thing here. So we will talk about the other thing is called set. Set is a collection which is unordered, unindexed, no duplicate members, which means, so set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add items. So okay, what does it mean? First one, what does it mean by unordered?
When they're unordered,
Yeah,
it's like not organized, like
organized,
not in order.
unindexed. So it's not
What?
unindexed and no duplicate members. So let's take one thing, then we will see what does each items does. So let's say first thing will be set items are unordered, okay, unchangeable, do not allow duplicate values. So Okay, see, let's take a variable called, okay, I'm going to take one more variable. You guys can see apple. So what will be the output? Anyone can guess based on this introduction, like a instruction?
Uh, it'll print like unorderly, so like random.
Okay, so um, if you use this one, no duplicate members. Apple, apple. Landon, Landon. If I have two Landons, what it will do? No duplicate
Oh,
members. What does it mean?
will it like get rid of the duplicates?
Yep, that's true. So cherry, apple, banana. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So good. Now the values true and 1 are considered the same value in sets and are treated as duplicates. So you have to remember one thing in the set. They may ask you this question. The values true and 1 are considered the same value in sets and are treated treated as duplicate values, duplicate members. So makes sense if I use true and 1 in the set. Okay, make sure that when you use three things here, you have to remember one thing is um, list means it is changeable, ordered, and allow duplicate members. Tuple means ordered, allow duplicate members, but unchangeable. But when it comes to set, set means no duplicate members, no ordered, unindexed. So one thing here, so square brackets means what? If you
It
declare,
means
if you use like square bracket, um, list, okay, list, we put something, we using square brackets. Okay,
okay.
okay, you use, okay, oh, come on, hi. Okay, so I'm just showing, hello, this is called list, set, tuple. See, so curly braces you use for set. Okay, then list you use a square brackets. Tuple you use open and closed bracket. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. So Landon, square
Yeah,
brackets.
that makes sense.
Okay, square brackets for um, list, tuple, open closed parenthesis, set, curly braces. So one thing in the set you have to remember, the values true and 1 are considered the same value in sets and are treated as duplicate members. Let's say if I have true and 1, what will be the output? Anyone can guess?
Will it be like if it's true or false, or is it just gonna print it because there's
So
no order and you can change it?
yeah, so one thing is here, apple, if you see two apples in this, which means
It gets rid of it, right?
what one get rid, so it get rid of one apple, then the
Yeah.
answer will be so this is a unordered. Unordered means every time it cannot come with the same order. Every time it will generate like a random order. Okay, so it can be banana, cherry, and one apple, true, because 1 and true are the same, right?
Yeah.
So the values true and 1 are considered the same values in set, so and are treated as duplicate members. Now if I go here, cherry, banana, apple, true. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the output. So and one thing here, one thing, the values false and 0 are considered different values in sets and are not treated as duplicate members. So sorry. Uh, 0 are considered the same okay. If I add 0 comma false, so it's same in the set. In the set means it will treat 0 and 1 are the same. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
0 and 1 means true, 0 or false means false. So see, 0 true, cherry, banana, apple. You may have a question, sir, why did we get every time different values? Because it's unordered. Okay, unordered. Okay, so if I go here, if I access index 1, what will be the output?
Would it just be apple? Or I mean banana?
Banana. Okay, so why did we get this error? It says,
Because there's no order.
yeah,
Right?
that's true, that's very true, very true. So
Go.
unordered, so object is not subscriptable. So if I again we have the same error. So that's very true. I'm very happy now you guys are understanding. So okay, so we do the same thing for same thing. Okay, list is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allow duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allow duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed, no duplicate members. Okay, so very good, very nice. So without okay, you guys got the most of the things you got. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to so we can, okay, I'm going to comment this one. There are so many things we will discuss along with our course, but now here okay, so for loop. Okay, for loop. So in Python we use a for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either list, tuple, dictionary, a set, or a string. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, let's talk about this one thing. Okay, if you understand this one, okay, so let's say I for loop you have to use a keyword for key, and then here I'm going to use maybe I. Okay, I is a variable name here. In range is a function, and you have to use colon, then print I. So let me show you one thing here. Okay, if you guys let me know after 4 minutes, then we will have a 50 minutes. If you need a break, then we can take break. Otherwise I'm going to discuss all the basics of. Okay, can you see this one for
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
in range? Okay, so print of I. Print is also a function. Anything if you see bracket like open closed bracket means function or method. Okay, if you see open or closed bracket means which is a function or method. Okay, we'll discuss about those later. But for I in range, anyone can guess what will be the output? There is no right or wrong answer, just guess.
Yeah.
So this number is 5.
Would it be 5?
Okay. Okay, I'm going to explain. Okay. Oh, okay. Don't worry. So I'm going to explain here one thing. Here I is equal to, which means 5. The range will always end one before. Let's say if it's 5, it ends 4. If it's 7, it ends 6. So here you have a numbers. Okay, what is our range? Let's okay.
Is it 0 to 5?
Okay, I'm going to take 6. Okay, if I take 6, it will always end a 1 before the number. Okay, 1 before the number. Okay, what is the range here? 6. Anyone can guess the output now? Someone said, I don't know, Mason or Landon said. So you said right. Okay, I'm going, yeah, that's a
0
guess.
to 5?
Yes, that's true. That's the answer. But I'm going to explain it to you. So here is this number 6, right? First, it will take, it starts from 0. Okay, it will check, is this 0 is less than 6? Is it true?
Yeah.
Okay, simply you have to remember I is equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4, I equal to 5, I is equal to 6. When if it's become the same number, it will stop, which means it prints from 0 to 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 makes sense, right? If I put 12, what will be the output?
Would it be 0 through 12?
0 to what?
0 to 12?
Nope. You're very close.
1 to 12?
Mm-mm. So the same example, it starts, let's say, it starts from 0. Okay, it ends the one before. But make sure that when you count, it has to be 12 numbers. 0 to 11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So because we included 0, it starts from 0, it ends the number before. Okay, if I put
it ends like a number earlier.
Number earlier, like index based. If I put 15, what will be the answer? What's his name? Landon?
14.
14?
Yeah.
What it will print?
Wait, yeah.
0 to 14.
0 to 14. Yeah.
Great.
What makes
So if I put here 2 comma 12,
would it be 2 to 11?
2 to 11. Oh yeah.
Hey,
Woohoo.
I'm cooking.
Now Mason time. I had a professor, his name Brother Waltius. He always says hoki doki woohoo. Okay, so if I go here, anyone can guess what will be the output?
2 to 14.
2 to 14, that's great.
Hey.
Oh, hoki doki. Now, okay, so anyone can guess. Okay, this, see, you guessed the first one, I guessed correct. Then the second one, I didn't even say anything. Landon said the correct answer. And then the second one, you answered correctly. Then now this one, there is no right or wrong answer. So see, one thing, I'm going to give you clue. It starts from here. Every time it adds up here, but it ends before this number. Okay, so it starts from where?
It starts from
2.
And then does it add 3?
Yeah, every time it adds 3, make sure that it's not included 15.
Okay.
Anyone can guess. Sometimes, because you cannot go, let's say 2, then 2 plus 3, 5, 8, 11, then let's see.
So it just adds 3 every time?
Every time, because you cannot, let's say if I put the value here, what will be the output? Anyone can guess? Look at this example, then say.
Would it be 2, 5, 8, 11, 14?
Okay, you said that. What about you, Mason? Are you Are you staying with the same answer?
Yeah.
Me too. Ooh-hoo.
Hey.
Ooh-hoo.
Yeah.
So this is start, add, maybe increment, then end, but you cannot include that number, even because you are adding 3, you cannot say 2 and up to 15, no. So now you understand, because we will discuss these all topics when we do the, what we call, when we do the projects. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm glad today is recording everything. Next one we will talk about, we talked about for loop now. Okay, one thing, if you know how many times your program has to be run, use for loop. If you know something, knowing means using for loop. If you don't know means using while loop. Okay, so let's see how there are three conditions here. First you have to initialize the value. First, for a while loop there are conditions. Okay, first you have to use, I'm using I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. Next, first point is initializing. This is very important. Initialize the variable to x. This one, okay, this is called condition. This is called CALLED, called a condition. Okay, so I'm going to show you here explanation. So first, what is I equal to 0? So I'm
1.
going to write our
Oh,
code.
0.
First I'm going to write our code, I less than 5. Okay, then print of I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, so there is a shortcut, you can also write like this, I plus equal to 1. Make sure that try to use this one. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
this will, okay, we'll see. First, I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0 means you initialized the value. Okay, you initialized the value. So output I'm going to show you here. Output, okay, I is equal to 0, it goes here. What is our condition? I less than 5. What is our value of I initially?
0.
You have to put here 0. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5 is true or false?
True.
True, then it prints 0. Okay, then it
Okay.
prints 0, then goes to here. Okay, it goes to here, I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to, what is I value initially?
0.
0. 0 plus 1. Now I is equal to 0 plus 1, how much?
1.
1. Now it will come to here. So what is our condition? 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5, because I, you have to substitute here I. So 1 less than 5 is true or false?
It's true.
Okay, because 1 is less than 5, it prints 1. Okay,
Okay.
now it comes to here, it will increment I value again. So I is equal to, okay, I plus 1. What is I right now? I value how much?
0.
No, second time I
Oh,
will,
wait, no, 1.
1. Now 1 plus 1, I equal to 2. See, now it comes to the condition 2 less than 5.
Yeah, true.
Now it prints to true. Then it comes here again, I will increment 1. So I is equal to I plus 1 equal to I value how much? 2.
2.
2 plus 1,
3.
3. Then it comes to the condition here, 3 less than 5.
Yeah.
It prints
True.
3. Then it goes here, I equal to I plus 1. So what is I value now?
4.
Good. 3 plus 1, 4. I value 4. Then it goes, it prints 4. Next, I value increment. I equal to what now? 5. then I is equal, okay, because it's, I'm not going to do this one. Now you understand I equal to 5. Then if comes here, I less than 5 means 5 less than 5,
False.
false, it stops the loop. It only runs as long as the condition is true. So
Oh.
if the condition is true, it prints. If the false, then it stops. Landon, did you get it?
Yeah.
Mason?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see the examples. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I give 1, if I put less than or equal, what will be the output?
It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, okay. How why it's 5?
Because it's less than or equal to.
Great.
Hey.
Today is a festival day. You guys are answering so quick. So did you get it, Landon? Now your turn.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, my turn? Okay.
What will be the output?
The output, will it be anything less than, wait, I'm tripping. Anything less than 12, right? Or equal to?
Yeah, equal to
So
12.
12 and below?
It starts from 1 until 12 because it's
1
equal.
until 12, yeah.
What will happen if I remove the 12, like equal?
I remove the 12 like equal, it'll be, oh, wait, let me give me a second. It will be anything 1 through 11.
Oh, great. Okay, great. Now, so this is a basic while loop, right? I'm explaining only condition. This is a basic while loop. So this is not the deep, but we are learning. My goal is, if you master all the things, then you can do very well, right? In the projects, what do you guys think?
Yeah.
Because when we do the projects, that's good thing, but I'm just thinking, if we master the skills, it will be more helpful for us to understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now break and continue.
10-minute break? Or 5-minute or?
No. So this is the topic, break and continue.
Oh, my bad.
No.
I thought you were talking about an actual break. Oh.
Oh, this has happened to me, Landon, many times when I teach students.
I can see how that makes sense. Oh, the call's about to end.
Yeah, so maybe, it's already 1 hour. We supposed to take 10 minutes early, like 6:20, but I'm so sorry. We'll take break and come back. And how many minutes do you guys need break so that I can send a link? Let me send a link now.
10's probably fine, Mason.
Yeah, 10.
10, okay.
Alright, see you in 10 minutes, Mr. Vinny.
One thing, okay, so let me, okay, before call ends, okay, I'm going to, okay, so, okay, let me send the link to both of you.
Oh, do you remember the song? I'm like,
Okay, you guys text me whenever you are ready, okay?
okay.
Okay, I'm going to stop the video for today.
We'll be back at like 6:40.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Alright, see ya.
Okay.
See you.